वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल ब्रॉडवे A2E Academy। सो आज की वीडियो डेडिकेटेड है उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो अभी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर बिगिनर्स हैं। सो बेसिकली इन इंग्लिश देयर आर थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ब्स, टू बी, टू हैव एंड टू डू। आज हम बात करेंगे टू बी की। सो टू बी में फॉर पास्ट टेंस वी यूज was and were. Was is used as a singular and were is used for plural. Secondly, for present tense we use is, am and are. Is and am is used as singular whereas were is used for plural. And then thirdly, for future we use will and shall. और आगे one more thing कि in English there are three types of persons: first person, second person and third person. First person we can say it is I, for second person we use you, and for third person we use he, she, it and they. So let's see students, there are some examples for you. Here for present tense we have taken the example of I am a student. Here I is the first person. Then come to the next, for past tense we have used here we were students. Here we is acting as the second person. And lastly, for future tense we have taken the example as he will be a student. Here he is the third person. For more information, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.